Let's face it, airports are the new runways. Whether you're jetting off for business or pleasure, your travel outfit sets the tone for your journey. But crafting the perfect ensemble isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. Number 10. Footwear. Navigating airport security often feels like a time strip show minus the music and applause. That's why slip-on shoes are your golden ticket to breezing through. Think loafers, lace-less sneakers, or anything that doesn't require untying like a Boy Scout. Brands like Allbirds and Kizik are traveler favorites for a reason. Stylish, supportive, and Transportation Security Administration friendly. You'll thank yourself when your feet aren't tangled in knots or holding up the line while juggling a tray of electronics and a passport. Let's not forget the marathon of moving walkways, gate changes, and spontaneous sprints for boarding calls. Your shoes should have solid arch support, and plenty of cushioning. Your feet are doing the heavy lifting. Leave the brand new kicks at home, unless you enjoy limping through Terminal B with blisters. Go with what's broken in and breathable. This is a journey, not a fashion shoot for foot pain. Number 9. Socks. When your flight stretches longer than your favorite Netflix series, regular socks won't cut it. That's where compression socks step in literally. Designed to boost circulation and fight off leg swelling, they also lower the risk of developing deep vein thrombosis. These aren't your grandma's medical-grade eyesores either. Brands like Swiftwick now make compression socks that are breathable, snug, and stylish enough to show off during airport yoga poses. Whether you're heading across the country or flying international, compression socks are more than a fashion statement. They're a non-negotiable part of your travel day survival kit. Keep them reserved for long-haul days, though wearing them 24/7 can do more harm than good. Number 8. Pants. Let's be honest, belts are the enemy of airport efficiency. Fumbling to take them off at security while your bag gets flagged for that suspicious banana? No thanks. The smart move is to go belt-free with elastic waistbands or drawstrings. Think joggers, leggings, or relaxed-fit travel trousers that stretch with you, not against you. Skechers Go Walk pants are a prime example. Wrinkle-resistant, lightweight, and comfy enough for a transatlantic snooze. And please, for the love of leg circulation, skip the skinny jeans. They might look great on Instagram, but after 6 hours at 30,000 feet, you'll wish you had airflow and space to breathe. Cotton, modal, or bamboo blends are your friends here, soft, breathable, and totally nap-approved. Number 7. Colors. Spills are practically a travel tradition. From turbulence-induced wine tosses to that rogue splash of tomato juice during takeoff, your clothes are in the line of fire. That's why seasoned travelers go dark navy, black, charcoal, or deep burgundy are all top-tier choices. Not only do they hide stains like a pro, but they also keep you looking polished and put together, even if your tray table turns into a crime scene. Light colors might feel summery and fresh, but one glob of sauce or drip of coffee will haunt you until you land. Dark tones are forgiving, travel-savvy, and always in style. They also tend to match better with layers, making it easier to mix and match your outfit without overthinking it. Plus, if you're re-wearing pieces during your trip, darker shades are more forgiving when it comes to hiding wrinkles in wear. Number 6. Layering. Layering isn't just a fashion choice, it's survival gear for air travel. The temperature at the gate might feel like a sauna, but by the time you're mid-flight, it's Arctic tundra in row 17. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer made from merino wool or synthetic blends. These fabrics help regulate body temperature and keep sweat at bay, even during mad dashes across terminals. Next, add a cozy mid-layer. Think a soft shirt, long-sleeve tee, or lightweight sweater that's easy to take off without dislocating a shoulder. Finally, your outer layer is your MVP. A lightweight jacket or cardigan not only keeps you warm, but also becomes your travel utility belt, with pockets perfect for stashing your phone, passport, wallet, earbuds, snacks, and possibly your sanity. The key is flexibility. Layers you can peel off or pile on depending on how cold or chaotic things get. Number 5. Shirts. When it comes to shirts, less is more. Travel days aren't the time to make bold statements, especially the political or religious kind. Keep it neutral, both in tone and design. Solid colors, subtle patterns, and classic stripes are ideal choices that won't draw unwanted attention or spark awkward glances at customs. A simple crew neck or Henley in soft cotton or bamboo blend keeps you comfy while looking clean and polished. And if your shirt can double as something you'd wear to dinner at your destination, even better. The goal is to stay out of trouble, stay cool, and stay comfortable, and a chill, basic shirt helps you do all three. Number 4. Jackets. A jacket does more than just keep you warm. At 35,000 feet, it's basically wearable luggage. The more pockets, the better. From your passport and boarding pass to your phone, earbuds, and lip balm, everything important can live safely in your jacket during airport chaos. It also makes getting through security a breeze. Instead of fumbling with trays and bins, you can just toss your whole jacket loaded with your essentials onto the scanner belt in one go. Plus, if your carry-on is one granola bar away from exploding, wearing your jacket is a genius way to free up space without sacrificing anything important. It's like having an extra bag that Transportation Security Administration won't charge you for. Number 3. Accessories. Never underestimate the power of a good accessory, especially when it doubles as travel gear. A lightweight scarf or pashmina isn't just a stylish touch, it transforms into a makeshift blanket, a pillow, or even an eye mask during long flights. It's cozy, compact, and ready for anything. And don't forget hats and sunglasses, especially if you're landing somewhere bright and beachy. Sunglasses hide jet lag better than any concealer, and a hat can protect your face from the sun, while also covering up unruly travel hair. These little extras go a long way in keeping you both functional and fashionable from takeoff to touchdown. Number 2. Fabrics. When it comes to airport outfits, fabric choice can make or break your travel experience. Opt for materials that are breathable and wrinkle-resistant so you arrive looking just as fresh as when you left. Blends like bamboo, modal, or spandex-infused fabrics offer the sweet spot between comfort, flexibility, and low maintenance. These fabrics help regulate temperature, stretch with movement, and bounce back into shape even after hours of sitting. On the flip side, avoid 100% cotton and linen. Sure, they feel great at first, but they wrinkle faster than your boarding pass, leaving you looking like you slept in your clothes. Because you probably did. Choose smart fabrics that work for you, not against you. Number 1. Safety considerations. While style and comfort are essential, don't overlook safety when dressing for a flight. In the rare event of an emergency, the clothes on your back matter more than you think. Natural fibers like cotton and wool are more fire-resistant than synthetic materials, which can melt onto the skin when exposed to high heat. That's why flight attendants often wear uniforms made from these fabrics. They're practical and protective. Also, never board in flip-flops or sandals. Closed-toe shoes offer better protection if you need to move quickly or navigate debris. Dressing smart isn't just about looking good. It could actually help keep you safe. If this video helped you rethink your airport outfit and pack smarter for your next adventure, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It helps more than you know. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun, practical, and stylish travel tips that keep you one step ahead from check-in to touchdown. Got your own airport outfit secrets or must-have travel accessories? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching.